Okay, so I'm starting this. Yeah, so this is the part of the software wherein yeah, wherein we actually makes the template. Template is letting the software understand how to interpret the data. Like for example, this is the area where we define the region properties. That is, this is the question, how it is to be read up, and what are the responses it is to be. So we define this. I mean, simply we define this, and there are two pages into it. We can also read the barcode also. Then we can go to page 2 where we have this option. We have just defined these areas also, which are the questions, and which area I have not defined, the software is not going to read it. So I have not defined question number 41 to 75, so it will not read it, but you can define that also if you want. For example, since the properties are same, I'll scan Control C and Control V. I can paste it right away. Right. This part of this is basically a one-time process. One-time process means yes, you have to do the software once. Yes. As many different kind of forms, as many. So 41 to 75 is around 30. Top border is touching. So anything problem, it can raise the thing, and then we need to just change it across. The number of rows located is not matching, so its intelligent software can tell you that the number of bubbles are not exactly what you are mentioning in your template. So as I mentioned it 35, but it's not actually 35, it's I think it's 36. Okay. And then I can just simply copy and paste it again here. And then I can just, because this is part B of the same question, so I'll just change the name. I'll save this. Then I'll go to the main part of it, which is called data reading. This is the area which is actually showing me the data. I need to open the form template. I have already the template. I'll just use the same template. And as you can see, there are question 127 is, and then there are comment is also there. And then part A1, it starts from here. So all I need to do, I just need to go to read wizard. In the read wizard part, I'll just go straight away. These are the images that you have sent me across. I can say next, and then if you want to review unrecommended images, you can use this, but I'll just simply use it. I'll just simply say read. And as you can see now, it has started reading the areas, right? So it's all automatically, it's reading. You can see that? Yeah, okay. It has read all those images. Now, from here, I can go to a thing called review exceptions. Review exceptions, I want to see if there is any multiple, if wrongly marked, or if there is any blank, or if there is recognition error is there, or if there is any barcode problem is there. Start, it will say okay, begin review. So straight away it has reached me to a place where it shows blank, and correspondingly the image is also here, it shows it's blank. So I can either say okay, fine, I can press enter and go to the next. You can see that there's a blank, so I don't need to physically now take out that copy. So it shows me the blank. Now it shows me multiple. Now here it shows me the multiple, which means the question number of part B 13 question, candidate has marked 1 and 5, which I can actually see it. Yes, he has marked 1 and 5. So either I can just select it that it's only 4, or either I can leave it like this. Now I have reviewed all the exception and this is finished. So all the exception has been through. There has been no recognition error. There has been no further blanks or anything. This first part, this is the first part of the page, the template, where it has shows the right. Then this is the second part. This is the second part. These are the comments. Now comments, you can see I have made it as a clip also, and I can also do a data entry of that using the same process. I can do the data entry like I can move to the next. I can move to data entry again. Similarly, I can do the data entry of this also. I can do the data entry of this also. So all what the comment has been, and they have been stored automatically at the Excel file, which we can save it to later stage. And the clip has also been stored with the name of say comment 1, and where it has been saved, I can define it. So suppose if you want to generate any report, or you want to give what the people have written, you can also keep that into the track. Now you can email this data, or you can just straight away go to save data as, and you can save it in as many as these formats. In your case, I'll just save it in Excel format. You can define the sheet name, okay, sheet, and it can also allow you to say store only a particular thing. If you don't want to store any other thing, you can define it from here, right? You can also store the image also. So I'll leave it like this only. You create the database and done. And now I can actually go to Excel. Now I go to Excel and I can just open yes, absolutely, you can do anything. You can put star, you can do anything here. I can show you that also part. In the template part, you can do anything there. As you can see, we have got the data. Whatever we have done, it's there. But if you want to change the blank to say around Z or anything, I can show you how to do it. I can go to my template. Okay, I can just show you that case. Like in the template edition, you can only define here only where it says, okay, what do you want to do with the blank? I simply put asterisk or nothing, space character, or anything you want to put it. I can do this. Okay. So you can do this. So it's a simple to use kind of a software. Once you create your templates, all you need to is simply go and read the data, and real time you can see that whatever he has marked or she has marked, you can click on anywhere else and it will show you that this is where he has marked. So that's how the system is. And you can export the data. You can also, if you want to have some reports, there are certain level of analysis is there which you can use it, but if you are only interested in the data part of it, so but it has got its own analysis too. So what? Okay. I think the extra features are, these are nothing much more important for you, because your current requirement is what I can see and I've given you.